Hello everyone and welcome back to Machine's Visit. Oranges are among the most loved fruits across the United States, not just because of their sweet, refreshing flavor, but also because of their powerful health benefits. But here's something that might surprise you. Every year, American farmers harvest more than 9.2 billion pounds of oranges. That's an almost unimaginable amount of fruit. Today, we're going to uncover the incredible journey of oranges, from the massive orange groves spread across the country to the high-tech factories, where they're transformed into fresh orange juice and premium orange marmalade. What really happens behind the scenes might surprise you. So get ready to step into the fascinating and sometimes shocking world of orange harvesting and processing. The journey of an orange actually begins many years before it ever appears on your breakfast table. An orange tree doesn't produce fruit overnight. It typically takes 5 to 8 years before it matures enough to begin bearing oranges. During this long growth period, farmers carefully manage every stage of development. Advanced irrigation systems automatically deliver the precise amount of water the trees need. Modern agricultural machines help farmers maintain ideal growing conditions, ensuring each tree stays healthy and productive. Automatic sprayers equipped with powerful high-pressure systems spread protective treatments across the entire canopy of the trees at once. At the same time, specialized pruning machines with razor-sharp blades remove dry, weak, or unnecessary branches. This may look harsh, but it's actually essential. By cutting away these branches, the trees receive better sunlight and airflow, allowing them to grow stronger and produce higher quality fruit. Weeds are also controlled using mechanical equipment, so the orange trees don't lose valuable nutrients from the soil. Every step is carefully controlled because even small mistakes can affect the entire harvest. Throughout the summer months, the oranges slowly grow larger and richer in color. Day by day, the fruit develops its sweetness while absorbing nutrients from the tree. By late fall or early winter, the oranges finally reach peak ripeness, signaling the start of one of the most exciting times of the year for farmers, the harvest season. But before harvesting begins, farmers perform careful inspections. They check the color, size, and condition of fruit to make sure it meets strict quality standards. Only when everything is perfect do the powerful harvesting machines move in. These machines take over one of the most demanding jobs in agriculture, using two main systems: row harvesters and tree shakers. Let's start with the row harvester. This machine has become a favorite on large-scale farms because of its incredible speed and efficiency. Equipped with soft rotating brushes or vibrating rods on both sides, the machine moves slowly through rows of orange trees. As it passes, the brushes gently shake the branches, causing the ripe oranges to fall. Instead of dropping to the ground, the fruit lands on a built-in conveyor system that runs through the center of the machine. The conveyor quickly performs a first round of sorting before transferring the oranges into large collection bins attached to a trailer behind the harvester. Using this system, farmers can harvest tens of tons of oranges in a single day, something that once required huge teams of workers. Each orange harvester is carefully engineered with special mechanisms designed to release the fruit without damaging the tree itself. However, there's a limitation. These machines only work effectively in orchards where the trees are neatly pruned and spaced in rows wide enough for the harvester to pass through. For orchards with larger trees and denser branches, farmers rely on a different but equally powerful solution. These machines use a similar shaking technique, but don't need to drive directly through the trees. This allows them to harvest fruit more efficiently from complex orchards while still protecting the quality of the oranges. Next come the tree shakers, machines that look almost unbelievable in action. A strong mechanical arm grips the trunk of an orange tree and begins producing intense but carefully controlled vibrations. Within seconds, the ripe oranges start raining down from the branches. Large collection tarps are spread across the ground around the tree to catch the falling fruit. Once the shaking stops, farmers gather the tarps, collect the oranges, and place them into baskets ready for transport. What once took hours of manual labor can now be completed in just minutes. Whether farmers use row harvesters or tree shakers, these modern machines have completely transformed the harvesting process. They allow orchards to collect fruit faster than ever before, while protecting both the trees and the quality of the oranges. But harvesting is only the beginning of the story. After being picked, The freshly harvested oranges are loaded into specialized transport trucks and sent to processing factories. These vehicles are designed to protect the fruit during transport, ensuring the oranges arrive fresh and undamaged. Once the trucks arrive at the factory, the oranges are unloaded at the receiving area. Here, workers perform a quick inspection to check ripeness and quality. Only the oranges that pass this first test move forward into the processing line, where the real transformation begins. The first stage inside the factory is a thorough cleaning process. The oranges enter an automated washing system where they are sprayed with fresh water through powerful high-pressure nozzles. At the same time, soft rotating brushes scrub the surface of the fruit to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining chemicals from the peel. This step is extremely important because it ensures the oranges meet strict hygiene standards before entering the production line. After washing, the fruit moves to a manual sorting area. Skilled workers carefully inspect each orange, removing any that appear bruised, damaged, or below quality standards. Although the factory uses advanced technology, this human inspection remains one of the most important steps in ensuring the final product maintains its premium quality. Once the manual sorting is complete, the selected oranges pass through a computer vision grading system. This advanced technology uses high-resolution cameras and sensors to analyze each orange in incredible detail. The system evaluates color, size, and shape within seconds. If an orange fails to meet the required standards, it is automatically removed from the line. Only the highest quality fruit continues forward to the next stage. Now comes the moment when oranges are transformed into juice. The sorted fruit enters powerful mechanical juicing machines designed to extract juice from the entire orange without cutting it in half. Inside these machines, rotating drums and high-pressure presses squeeze the fruit with incredible force, extracting every possible drop of juice from the pulp. A built-in filtration system removes tiny impurities, leaving behind a smooth and nutrient-rich stream of fresh orange juice. This closed extraction process helps preserve the natural flavor, aroma, and vitamins contained in the fruit. After extraction, the juice flows into large fermentation tanks where the next stage begins. Inside these carefully controlled environments, the juice undergoes natural fermentation. During this process, the flavor develops further while certain nutritional properties are enhanced. The fermentation period can vary depending on the product being produced, sometimes lasting only a few hours and in other cases several days. During this stage, samples of the juice are regularly tested. Specialists measure pH levels, analyze sugar content, and perform microbial testing to ensure the fermentation remains safe and stable. Experts also evaluate the taste, color, and chemical composition to confirm the juice meets strict quality standards before it can be packaged. Once the fermentation process is complete, the juice moves to the bottling area. Automated filling machines precisely measure the correct amount of juice for every bottle. The entire bottling process takes place after sealing. Robotic systems group the bottles into six-pack bundles. These bundles are stacked into organized layers on pallets and tightly wrapped with shrink film, preparing them for safe transportation and storage. Orange juice has become a staple in American households. Known for its rich vitamin C content, it plays an important role in supporting the immune system and promoting overall health. Beyond its nutritional value, however, it's a quick and delicious way to stay hydrated and energize. The history of orange juice in America dates back to the early 20s, and interestingly, it was a development of modern pasteurization that turned orange juice into the safe and popular drink millions of people enjoy today. From that moment on, orange juice became more than just a beverage. It became a daily ritual and a symbol of health in American households. Over the years, the way it's packaged has also evolved. Today, orange juice can be sealed in traditional glass bottles or packed into carton boxes, depending on the manufacturer and market demand. Let's take a closer look at how these packaging methods work. The first method is glass bottling. In this process, freshly processed orange juice flows into a high-speed bottling system where sterile glass bottles move along a conveyor line. Each bottle is precisely filled with the exact amount of juice before being instantly sealed with airtight caps. The sealed bottles then move through inspection stations where sensors check for leaks, fill levels, and proper sealing to guarantee consistent quality. Next comes the carton packaging process, where orange juice is packed into specially designed paper-based boxes. These cartons are created from multiple protective layers that help keep the juice fresh while blocking out light and air. Inside the filling machines, flat carton sheets are shaped into containers, filled with juice, and sealed in one continuous automated process. The result is a lightweight, durable package that protects the juice during storage and transportation. Marmalade factory processing. In addition to producing orange juice, a significant portion of the orange harvest is used to create orange marmalade, a thick, sweet spread loved around the world. Inside specialized factories, the process begins by chopping fresh oranges into small pieces. These pieces are then cooked together with sugar and a controlled amount of pectin to achieve the perfect gel-like consistency. This cooking process takes place in large industrial kettles where both temperature and cooking time are carefully monitored. Maintaining the correct balance is crucial because it helps preserve the natural color, aroma, and citrus flavor of the oranges. If the mixture is overcooked, the flavor can become bitter. So precise control is essential. Once the marmalade reaches a desired texture, it is transferred into automated filling machines. These systems pour the hot marmalade into glass jars or plastic containers, moving along conveyor belts. The entire filling process takes place inside a sterile environment to ensure hygiene and consistency, allowing each jar to contain the exact same amount of product while remaining completely free from contamination. After filling, the jars are sealed automatically using either twist-off lids or snap-on caps, depending on the type of packaging used by the manufacturer. The next stage is labeling. As the jars continue along the production line, they pass through an automatic labeling system that applies product labels containing important details, such as ingredients, expiration dates, and barcodes. Advanced sensors monitor every jar to ensure the labels are straight, undamaged, and properly attached. Once labeling is complete, the jars undergo a final quality inspection. Only after passing this final check are they packed into cartons and prepared for distribution. Orange hand harvesting. While machines handle a large portion of the harvest, many oranges are still picked by hand, especially those intended for fresh consumption. Hand harvesting ensures that the fruit remains flawless and undamaged. This process requires patience, experience, and careful attention. Workers use small clippers or specialized knives to gently cut each orange from the branch. This technique protects both the peel and the stem, preventing damage that could shorten the fruit's shelf life. Harvesters carefully examine each orange while still in the orchard, checking ripeness, color, and quality before placing it into baskets or crates. These containers are often carried on the workers' backs to minimize bruising. For fruit located higher in the trees, workers rely on sturdy ladders. Climbing carefully into the canopy, they reach for oranges hidden among the branches and leaves. These ladders are essential tools that allow harvesters to reach the ripest fruit growing at the very top of the trees. Many of these orange pickers are immigrant workers in the United States. They often earn around $15 per hour or are paid based on productivity, sometimes about $1 per fill bin. With workdays lasting nearly 10 hours, the job demands physical strength and determination as workers strive to support themselves and their families. Once the baskets are full, the oranges are transferred into small transport trucks and delivered to central storage areas. This careful and detailed harvesting method helps preserve the fruit's premium quality, making it suitable for fresh markets and high-end food processing. Orange packaging line. After being harvested from the orchards, oranges begin the next phase of their journey inside modern packing facilities. These centers combine advanced machinery with scientific quality control to ensure that fresh, high-quality fruit reaches consumers as quickly as possible. The first step inside the facility is cleaning. Oranges are placed into powerful washing systems where high-pressure water sprays and rotating brushes remove dirt, debris, and natural wax from their peels. Some modern facilities also use ozone-treated water or mild disinfectant solutions to achieve an even higher level of sanitation. Once cleaned, the oranges move along conveyor belts into the sorting section. Here, sensors and trained workers inspect each fruit and separate them according to size, color, and overall quality. Oranges that do not meet fresh market standards are redirected for alternative uses, such as juice production or animal feed. Following this initial inspection, the fruit enters an advanced automated sorting system equipped with computer vision technology. High-speed cameras capture images of every orange as it travels along conveyor. Artificial intelligence software analyzes these images, identifying defects, irregular shapes, or discoloration. Based on this analysis, the system automatically divides the oranges into different quality categories. Any fruit that fails to meet the standards is removed immediately, while approved oranges continue toward packaging. This technology greatly improves accuracy, increases efficiency, and significantly